Guys, one of my favorite things to do is to support small business and American made, and that's exactly what we're doing here with these cowl brackets. Let me tell you a little bit more about these. Hey guys, Don with Driving Everest here. Thanks so much for tuning in to another video, and excited today to talk to you about these cowl brackets. Now, these kind of brackets are typically a dime a dozen. You can find them from any of your major manufacturers, but what makes these incredibly special is these are from a good friend of mine, Riley with Smoky Mountain Overland. So this is going to be designed and manufactured right here in the United States. It's made of 1/8 inch steel. It's got a black semi-gloss powder coat, and it's got this awesome mountain scene cut out right on there. So the plan is to use these brackets with the Quadratech radius lights that I got in, and they're going to be ditch lights. They're going to come right up here, probably right on this top bracket. I don't know, that's one of the cool things about this. As you can see, it's got quite a few different options for where you can mount your lights. So we're going to go ahead and put these on, and then we'll do the Quadratech lights on another video. So one of my favorite minor details is all the hardware's included. Stainless steel, some spacers, everything we need. However, we've got to go ahead and get these out, and for that we're going to use just the regular Jeep Torx T40. We'll take these three out and then we'll pop that right on. So all the hardware is removed from these three spots. We're going to go ahead and position this in place. We're going to start up top with the first spacer. Now I got to slide this in behind the antenna here, and then we'll just kind of get that finger tight. We'll get this hardware here. All right, so it's in place right now, and all I've got to do is tighten it down, and it looks like there's going to be just enough space between the antenna and the bracket that I'm not going to have any issues. Now, if you notice, this is not the Torx T40. This is actually a 5/32 Allen. We're not going to get it super tight yet, and this is going to be a slightly different size. The two larger bolts down here are actually going to be a 3/16 Allen. There we have it, guys. Super simple, super easy. This thing is rock solid now that it's tightened down. It looks awesome. I mean, to a pro's got the mountain logo. Smoky Mountain Overland's got the mountain logo. Everest is basically a rolling mountain logo. I love it. And let me bring the camera in so you can actually see that this does not actually touch that antenna. So if you look closely, you'll notice that there is clearance. Guys, that's it for this video. If you want to learn more about Smoky Mountain Overland, I'm going to drop a link to their website, SM Overland, in the description. Also, listen, you've got to check out Riley and some of his adventures, as well as his Jeep Gladiator build on Instagram if you're not already. So, link to that in the description as well, and you can pick up these brackets from his online store. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you on the next adventure.